All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your World War II research here. So we are going to work on this in live class, obviously, but please try to attend or watch the live class recording. You're going to be choosing from some different people and events that are listed below here to report on what you have learned about World War II. So you're going to choose one person from this list here, either Franklin Roosevelt, Harry Truman, Winston Churchill, Joseph Stalin, Adolf Hitler, Hideki Tojo, Benito Mussolini, Dwight D. Eisenhower, Navajo Code Talkers, the Tuskegee Airmen, or Douglas MacArthur. I need you to tell me about this person or people and what role they played in World War II. And then you're going to choose a place or event, just one, from the list below. The home front, talking about men, women, children, etc. The internment of Japanese Americans, D-Day, the Battle of the Bulge, VE Day or Victory in Europe Day, the dropping of the atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, or VJ or Victory in Japan Day. Tell me about the details of this event, who, what, when, where, why, and how is this event important to World War II. Use the lessons to help you. You also have a website here as well that can help if you need some extra assistance. And the document is right down here at the bottom of your screen. So again, we'll go over this in live class, but let me know if you have any other questions.